Here's how to add a video banner on your Shopify store. So first you want to just pick the theme that you want to add it to. So for example, I'll just take the refresh one right here. Now while it is installing, you can click on the link in the description that will take you to this page from Shopify's community. Now right here there is some code that you need to copy. So simply click on copy right there. Then go back to Shopify and I'll just publish this one right here. And now I have that theme. Now, before we actually do this, what you need to do is go to content here, then click files, and then click upload files. And then here you want to upload the video that you want to have as your background. For example, I have this one right here, that's called Shopify banner, and then click open. Now you don't need to worry about it being muted because it will get muted automatically. Now, since I am in the trial plan, right now I cannot actually upload an MP4 video into my files, so therefore it's going to give me an error, but if you're not in your trial, then it will upload for you. So after it's done uploading, just go to your online store, click customize right here, and then right now there's an image here. You can remove that later if you'd like to, but for now you can click plus right here in between these sections. So you can add a section to the template or the header. I'll do it to the template. Now from here you want to select custom liquid right here. And now here over in the right you want to paste in the code that we copied earlier from the Shopify community page. Now here there's something you need to do. Here it says your video url.mp4. So make sure your video is an mp4 file. Now mine was called Shopify banner. So therefore I will write Shopify banner right there. And since for me it didn't upload because I am still in the trial, it therefore doesn't work for me. But for you, if you have uploaded into your files, make sure you have the exact name right here and then click save. And then that will be then the background right here. And then you could choose to have a button or something like that over it. And you will have then added a video banner to your Shopify store. So now you know how to add a video banner to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.